They just panicked at the back of the breakdown and turned the ball over. There's Andrew Hoy's going to get himself back on his feet very shortly and produce a very important scrum. But this is where they panicked. They needed to now compose themselves, just take their time. The ball spills out. Smith has a go. It was a good tackle, but then he just let the ball go back, and the Hurricanes scrambled very well. Good defence.
I think if he had the option again, Ben Smith would have gone wide, Justin, to be perfectly honest. As soon as he closed, he was closed down, but that with Nonu in the bin, they had numbers out to the left.
Yeah. 3 minutes remaining first half. Big scrum here for the Hurricanes. Nonu will get back with about a minute remaining in this first half.
Okay, let's go. Crouch. Touch. Pause. Engage.
Away goes Vito. Good run by Victor Vito. The scrum wasn't great, but Vito did really well. Now Keats works it back. And deep in the in-goal area. It's not going to go out. And the Highlanders have it just on their own side of halfway. And here's Ben Smith running it up. Drops the pass off to James Patterson. Hurricanes meet them around about the 10-metre line. Highlanders have a man down in that play. I think it might be Thompson. As they march up towards the 22-metre line. Now Cowan away for Sofuanga. Beckius. It is Thompson getting to his feet. And it's been lost forward by the Highlanders. He's been prominent, Josh Beckius. There's Adam Thompson coming back. He was being attended to. He has been into everything.
Yes, I wonder if it was him trying to get to Victor Vito off the back of that scrum. What a fantastic clearance from there. He runs strong. Got the Hurricanes out of a bad position on a compromised scrum, and they're able to get a good kick away from Cruden, and now they've won the ball back. Fantastic off the base of the scrum. But yes, Thompson, look at him. His work rate has been massive.
Must mention too that the clock you can see on the screen is official TMO time.
Crouch.
No sign of Nonu coming back.
Pause.
In fact, he's not even up out of his seat. As Vito's put under pressure again. That's a messy old scrum again. Here's Treby on the 22-metre line. So one last shot at it here for the Highlanders. Cowan got the pass up. Here's Thompson ranging wide again. Now Sofuanga gets it off. And good strong run by Rutledge. Always takes a couple to put Jason Rutledge away.
Stay back.
Ball is up off the ground. There's no one there. But now Manu gets there. And one or two stragglers arrive. Now Manu pops it up to McIntosh. Around the ankles goes Vito. Cowan up for Beckius. Now Cowan. Off it goes to Sofuanga. Turns it back on the inside. Again within that 5-metre mark. Pressing hard.
Stay back.
Looking to control the ball. McIntosh again.
And release. Step back, 7 go. Back 7 go.
Rutledge, as the siren goes, Rutledge has a crack at the line. And held up. Didn't get it down.
Half-time.
And the Hurricanes survive, but only just. And everybody heads to the dressing room at half-time. And it's 11 points to 6. The Highlanders lead.
Big deep sigh of relief, I think, from the Hurricanes players and coaching staff that Tyson Keats managed to hold up Jason Rutledge there. Otherwise they were really staring down the barrel.
Okay, Ian Smith is with Aaron Cruden.
Well, Aaron, first 40 minutes not the best. What do you think's going wrong there?
I think we're just trying to rush things a little bit. We're not really holding on to the pill, and that's what we talked about. We talked about being patient. These guys are going to bring the physicality for 80 minutes, and we have to play for the 80 as well.
Getting back to 15 into field position too would be handy.
Yeah, definitely. I think with Ma'a going to the bin, it made things a bit tough in that last 10 minutes of the first half. So to get him back, we'll be raring to go with the full.
Thanks, mate. Cheers. Thank you.
Aaron Cruden, yes, he's scored all the points for the Hurricanes, 2 penalty goals. Lima Sopoaga has scored all the points for the Highlanders, and it's the Highlanders ahead at half-time in the first match of the season by 11 points to 6.
Clean that lens up. Where you from, son?
Waikato.
Shut your pie hole! What is the first rule of being a cameraman? That's right. A cameraman does not speak. If you want to speak, you will speak with your eyes. I don't want to be watching Rugby World Cup and hear your pimply-ass yahooing on the sideline. Am I clear? Outstanding.
When you're farming, you can rely on the fact it'll rain when you don't want it to, and be dry when you want rain. You can expect that if you want a job done properly, you'll have to do it yourself. You can count on the bank manager, turning up when you don't want him to. But when you're farming, there is one thing you can rely on working as it should. Cydectin, New Zealand's premium cattle pour-on. Cydectin delivers exceptional worm control for longer, giving you healthier stock and better profits.
You know, I could have been an eye specialist.
Could have been a heart specialist.
Me? A tooth specialist. I could have